Hi, my name is Ray Solorzano. I've been with Anaheim High School District for 13 years and just completed my first year with CVA.
What is collaboration to you?
In my opinion, collaboration really begins in our classroom. When our students' voices are heard and valued, I think we transform our classrooms into learning communities. At CVA, our teachers are working hard to create innovative opportunities for students to display, mastery of learning objectives across the disciplines. At AUHSD, we are collaborating with our local business partners and community colleges to bring relevancy into our classrooms, to prep the students with college and career-ready skills and jobs that are in demand and local. So I believe when we collaborate, we can really create new paradigms where our students' voices and passions that's going to not only better themselves, but help them give back to their communities.
What is the key to effective communication at CVA?
Communication is essential in order for a student to be successful here. But the key to effective communication is to not be afraid to ask questions. It is much more important that students basically take that initiative and ask a clarifying question, because there is no such thing as a dumb question, and to really have a firm understanding of what it is they're being asked to do when completing an assignment.
What creativity means to CVA teachers?
To me, creativity is taking ideas and going beyond the norm, what we expect from ourselves, and especially when we're talking about students. I like to see students take risks, really think about their own ideas and not just follow the crowd, but think about how they might have different solutions to problems.
How is critical thinking shown in the classroom at CVA?
I know one of the things that I've highlighted in science that I'm passionate about and is very important to me on an environmental standpoint is the decommissioning of oil rigs in our Southern California waters here in the Pacific Ocean. Because when students critically think, they have the ability to solve problems that maybe haven't even been defined yet in our learning today. And looking at problems that exist not just in the national spotlight, but also in their local communities, because when solutions happen for these problems, it will only benefit students' lives in the long run.
I am CVA.
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 I am.
I am.
I am.
CVA.
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 I am CVA.
I am CVA.
I am CVA.
We are CVA.